Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is going to be about what is a life estate. But before we dive into this topic, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, go over to njestateattorney.com and schedule a day and time that works best for you. So, what is a life estate? And this is a question that I've been getting more and more recently, as even though it does fall into the realm of elder law, it also walks into estate planning in essence, because we are preparing people for potential, Medicaid interference or use of Medicaid, or it's a way to make sure the property avoids probate in some example, in some ways. So it's really a tool that attorneys use to transfer your property, but you can still live there. And let me break this down for you really quick. So how a life estate works is, and I had this question actually recently with Joe and Mary. So Joe and Mary own a home, and they are very afraid that Joe's going to need, I'm using code names for confidentiality purposes, but they're very afraid that Joe may need some sort of Medicaid or end up in help, or may end up in a nursing home because of his family, his history. And they don't want to lose their home to the nursing home because of the $2,000 threshold. So they were trying to figure out ways of staying in the home and but still being able to keep the home. And remember, with Medicare, Medicaid, there's that 5-year look-back period that we're preparing for. So what they decided to do was deed their what we came up with is this life estate claim, or a life estate deed. And basically what we did was we deeded the property over to their children. So what did we do? We kind of started the probate process without starting it yet, is what I would say. We gave the children the property. I don't always recommend this because the children can lose the step up in basis. But we gave the children the property, but Joe and Mary retained a life estate in their property, which means they're still responsible for the taxes, they're still responsible for the mortgage, they're responsible for the upkeep and maintenance of the property for the rest of their life. However, when they pass away, when Mary passes, whoever passes away last, the children get the property. Now they become financially responsible for the property. It is their property. They are just basically saying, you have the right to use it, you have the right to collect rents. If you want to sell it, you can, but you can only sell your life estate in the property. So really the life estate is a tool that we're using to allow you to stay in your home and kind of sidestep losing the property to the nursing home. So this is basically just we create a new deed transferring the property, but we put in a paragraph in the deed that says there's a life estate with the remainderment in the children. So to summarize this whole thing, I know it's kind of wavy, and it's a tool. Life estates are a tool created to sidestep losing your property to a nursing home, and in essence allowing you to stay in your home and avoid your home from going through the probate process. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit the like button. If you aren't already, go over to YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, head over to Instagram and TikTok at NJ Estate Attorney. We are answering questions, comments. So feel free to drop comments below, drop comments on those videos. I will answer every one of them. If you found this video helpful, please share this video with someone that you may have questions about estate planning or probate. If you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, you can contact me at njestateattorney.com to schedule a day and time that works best for you. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.